Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share tips and techniques from over 25 years working as a costume craftsperson. As a follow-up to my video on dye vat sourcing, today I'm addressing the other important component of a dye facility upgrade: ventilation systems. This is one of those questions like, where do I buy a dye vat, that comes up again and again, and one that's close to my shop safety advocating heart. The two main types of vendors to check out are restaurant suppliers and lab equipment distributors. For restaurant vendors, search for range vent hoods, which come in several styles and are designed to suck away steam, fumes, smoke, grease, heat, etc. The good thing about range hoods is that you can look them up on consumer reports and read feedback on various brands before you purchase. Find out what's the best value for your money and what's got reliability issues. Some of them even have cool features like heat-sensitive intakes that suck vapors away faster at higher temperatures, or flame-sensitive extinguisher attachments, like the red cylinder at the left here. There are ductless range hoods which push fumes through a charcoal filter and then recycle the air into your dye space. Probably better than nothing, but these won't filter contaminants not trapped by charcoal. For lab suppliers, you're looking for laboratory Canopy hoods. They're like range hoods, but they're designed for industrial lab usage, so they often have extra features like corrosive-resistant coatings. When you're pricing out options, talk with your facilities manager and find out what sort of budget you need to allot for installation. A wall or ceiling-mounted hood requires ductwork that vents to the outside, away from any AC intakes or windows and doors. When I've coordinated projects like this, the funding got divided up between departments. The installation costs were coded to facilities or safety, while the cost of the hood itself went to the area in which it was installed. I can't be of help on a total cost estimate, but vendors can give you quotes on equipment and installation. If your facilities folks are hands-off about it, or if you're a small business owner operating your own studio space, call up some remodeling businesses in your area and ask what they estimate to install a range hood. Don't forget to ask whether that quote includes additional ductwork supplies. And if not, price those and add them to the quote for a total. A third option, if you don't have the budget, space, or construction ability to install the ductwork for a wall or ceiling-mounted hood, is a portable fume extractor like this. You can push this kind of extractor around and use it in other applications, in addition to functioning as a dye vat hood, sucking away jewelry soldering fumes, solvent-based paint or hat sizing fumes, etc. They won't help with heat control the way a duct hood that vents to the outside can, but otherwise they're a great option as long as you stay on top of filter replacement. Understand that once you install a ventilation system, it needs to be maintained and regularly inspected to ensure it continues to work properly. This can be as simple as changing filters regularly, or having your local OSHA inspector test its intake and output rate each year. Regardless of what system you install, a dye vat with efficient ventilation is a complete game changer for your ability to control color in costume production.